welcome back to another video. You guys have been going crazy on the page lately. I really do appreciate it. I know that I'm kind of new to the long form stuff, but I'm trying to stay consistent in 2025, and you guys are showing a lot of love. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. Unfortunately, all my cars are gone, as you know. The Supercharger is going on the R8, so that car's gone. The C6 is broken. And then my Mustang is getting its motor refreshed. So we're gonna go over to Foster's because every single day, Foster's doing something. Today, I think he has custom bead locks getting delivered for some sort of car. I don't know which one. None of his cars are fast enough to need bead locks, but we're gonna go over and see what's going on anyways, maybe get a ride in one of his fast cars, and I guess just go from there. For some reason, a lot of you guys just like watching the little like vlog style, just whatever is going on with the day. So I guess that's what we're gonna do. What car is it? You haven't even told me what car it's for.
It's for the M2. They're supposed to match the front.
But
I don't know, because they're made by two different companies.
Are you?
They'll look at it and tell me.
I'll look at it and tell you?
Actually, I think we're pretty.
Yeah, I think they'll match.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe.
Nah, they're a little dark. Actually,
I think it's just because it's in direct sunlight. Usually it's not.
Over there. Car's over there. I can just roll the wheel out here. Okay.
Dang, I guess you gotta return it.
Or gold plating.
Oh, that's so dumb.
Gold.
This is more of like a vlog style day in the life, and I said, I don't know what's going on at Foster's, but it's usually something dumb, so I was right. I did bring the 360 mount too.
You didn't even call me.
Well, yeah.
Good timing, dude. Good timing.
So you're not matching with that. You're trying to match with that.
Yeah. What do you mean I'm trying to match with that?
I didn't know.
How the fuck?
Oh, I thought it was X-Drive. I forgot. It's not X-Drive. That was the old one. That was the old one.
It's not old. I still have it.
No, I'm talking about the other M2. Is the other M2 not X-Drive?
Don't make M2s X-Drive.
Oh, didn't know that. Okay, so you're replacing this with that other one. The question is, does it match that? Do you want my honest answer? No, it doesn't. It doesn't match. This is a little like faded versus the other one that's darker. More saturated. It looks more saturated, would say. But still gonna run it anyways.
I don't have a choice. I don't know. Yeah,
I think it may be the angle. Hold it up sideways.
No, this is more of like a bronzy gold. The other one's like a pale.
It's like a
right? It's like it looks like this is like a saturated version of the other one.
Yeah. Falls over the wheel.
Huh. So what are you gonna do?
Find someone that knows how to powder coat.
Foster's like the best and worst customer you could possibly have. He spends so much money. I mean, so much money. If you tell him there's something better, he's buying it. But if it's not perfect, and I mean perfect, he doesn't want it. These are the normal rears that go on from the Vorsteiner kit, but these are what he was trying to match. They just did not really get it. I guess you send them a picture and they do the best they can, but they did not get the finish right.
Yeah, you're right. It's like, it's like 100%. I would say that's definitely much closer to silver. That's definitely like wrong.
Well, damn. What are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
I thought we had a pretty exciting day planned out.
I mean,
This is about to be the shortest video ever.
no, we still go to Titan. Got parts at Titan.
Going in the Lambo. Oh, wait. Oh, damn. Bro, that thing has traveled. That leaks more than Fred. So since all of the cars are gone, like I said, this is kind of a day in the life, and right now my main priority at Moxy, we're dropping air fresheners. Car colognes is actually what we're calling it, and I just got my shipment in of sprayers, so I need to get to the shop. We need to, I guess, do a final look over. I need to come and test them. I've been spraying them in my car for the past like 3 weeks now, but I just want to make sure that everything's good before we officially launch, because the last thing I want to do is launch this thing and just have it explode in my face. I've been going crazy with the Arctic Black lately. Absolutely absolutely hate this sprayer. So I ditched these, I got some new ones. But I think this one's my favorite, not gonna lie. We're dropping 5 cents. We've got Tropical Splash, which is like a pina colada. We have Cherry Burst, which is cherry. We have Strawberry Dream, which is strawberry. We have Arctic Black, which is like black ice. And then, what am I forgetting? Oh, we have Vanilla Bean as well. Why not having any of my cars is horrible, especially when I'm trying to stay consistent with my weekly uploads. I'm not gonna lie, I've been considering picking up a BMW M340i. I know I've slightly mentioned it here and there on TikTok and on the page, but I think it'd be a pretty cool daily. 1, 2, it's a whole different platform I've never had before, I've never experienced before. I've ridden in Foster's cars that have the B58, and I've heard about the B58 platform being so crazy, so that's why I'm super interested. I'm going with the 340 instead of the 240, mainly because it has 4 doors. It would pretty much be like my nicer daily. The Kia, don't get me wrong, the Kia is pretty sick, but I'd like something a little nicer. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Should I pick up an M340i for the page, or should I just hold off, put that money into the other cars? I don't know. When I don't have any cars, I start thinking foolishly, because I need content, I want content, and right now I have none because everything's getting worked on. So just saying, if you guys see me test driving an M340i in an upcoming video, do not be surprised. Oh yeah, now pretend like you're working, Sebastian. Keep pretending. I need my sprayers. Hopefully the ones I got today work, mainly because I ordered 2,000 of them. So gonna put the new sprayers on, and hopefully they work, and hopefully I can launch these things, because we've been sitting on them for a while. Check it, check it, check it. Oh my gosh. They look good. They don't look white, dude. They kind of look like they have a tint to them.
If you think you're about to fucking do that, what the fuck did you go for some cream color?
They're supposed to be white. It says white.
Bro,
here,
this
put
is
it
why
on.
you can't fucking do a thing.
Better fit. It fits.
It is stripped.
It fits.
It's stripped.
No, it didn't. It fits.
Such a hoe, dude.
What?
Guys, bro.
It's pretty fire.
Guys, strawberries. Flavor. That's so good.
That's what I thought.
God, that's fucking.
It looks good with the white too, actually. Bro, that is so hot. That looks drinkable.
Yeah, you're welcome.
What did you do?
What do you mean?
I was a label guy.
Fucking know you weren't.
I was a label guy.
You fucking dropped that ball like 700 times.
I was a label guy. So I'm sending out a bunch of samples to affiliates so that the day we launch, I can have all of them ready to post about the product. That way that whenever we launch, they don't have to get it like 4 days later and then they're late to the party. So getting these to them before we launch is the goal. There has been a lot of time and money put into developing these over the span of a couple months now. So I guess you guys are gonna get to see if this flops or goes well. If it flops, bro, I'll own it. I'll own it. I think it'll do good though. A lot of people are anticipating it. Don't want your car to smell like shit? Then you can get some down below on moxyperformance.com. No, I actually don't. I don't think it'll be launched by the time this video is uploaded. But in the future, if your car smells like shit, Moxy Car Cologne on moxyperformance.com, baby.
The next day.
Boom, next day. We gotta end this video off with a bang. And Foster woke up today with some confidence that he can run a 10-second pass on the street in his 2000 Honda Civic that's supercharged, Kswapped. I think he's gonna run like a 13, but he's never been to a drag strip and has some crazy confidence. I'm at least gonna be there for whatever he does. Maybe he blows it up, I don't know. All right, gotta get this thing set up so we can get all the angles of Foster running a 10 on the street. Gotta take the gap cam off of the Kia. One. Nice. You ever worried about it falling off? You don't need to. Look at that. Look at that. Gotta do the old. Oh, pause. That. is not going anywhere. Got the phone mount set up. Also gonna do a little more product testing. Foster's a big strawberry guy, so I'm gonna spray some around here. And when he gets in the car, I need him to say something about strawberry. If not, I'm not dropping it.
Really?
What?
Really?
What?
Really?
What? Can you tell me what?
Bro, hit me with a strawberry.
Ah, he smells it.
It's not streetcar. What?
If you put ice in it?
Ice for my fucking supercharger?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't put ice in any of my cars.
I just can't afford an ice tank.
You do that to me next? I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. This thing literally is a baby Hellcat. I say baby Hellcat because it whines like a Hellcat. I know when I put that in my thumbnail, pissed a lot of you guys off, so I won't do it in this one, but I did that because it sounds like a Hellcat. Oh. Maybe they're not? Oh. There it is. Oh, never mind. We're totally gonna put a plate on this thing, by the way. Totally. New shifter since last time. That's good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He hits third. Didn't do a burnout yet.
That was a burnout.
So maybe now that the tires are hot, now maybe you'll look. That's fun, man.
Quarter mile.
Hit 60 to 130?
A 13.7, no. He hit, I think, 120 something. Wow. A 13.7, spinning very bad.
Smoke started coming in.
Smoke was coming through, it was spinning so bad. Yeah, that was pretty bad. Maybe a second gear leave. The gearing is just too short.
Coming. I just want to see if it'll launch.
Not hooking at all.
Not even fucking.
They need to take more tire pressure out. Not even kidding. Try like 14, 15 PSI. Usually at the track,
I don't know why Ford is bogging down so bad.
It's because it finally hooks. When it finally hooks, that's when it bogs down. Well, I don't know if it's bad timing to say this, but I was right on what it would run.
I feel like it's spun more than it's ever spun, ever.
You also, I don't think I've ever launched it. So I guess it's turbos, boost controller, ramp it in like middle of second gear, start ramping it in. Ditch the supercharger, it's too much. You can't handle it. That is going to wrap up today's video. Again, I know there's not a ton going on, but all of my cars are gone. I think next video we're actually going to be talking about our boy Fred back there. We have some crazy big plans, cool LS swap, and we're partnering with a cool company to do it, Holly Performance. I'm super pumped for that. We have so many parts coming. I hope you guys still enjoyed watching today's video. I guess it's more of like a daily vlog, day in the life kind of thing, because we didn't have much going on, so it was more or less just working with a little bit of fun thrown in there. But that's going to do it for this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.